Hey, what's going on guys? Watch Review here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Orient Flight reference number FUNG2004F. I will have a review out for this watch pretty soon, so if you guys want to see that video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, so starting off with the box, there's nothing too special about this box, just a cardboard box, and let's open this. Also on the front you have the Orient logo with the two lines, looks pretty nice. Pull this out of the box, feels pretty substantial, has a nice feel to it. On the front it's kind of like this aluminum, and I believe the box is made out of like a particle board or maybe even a pine. Okay, so some papers come with a watch, but who are we kidding, no one else really wants to see that, so put that to the side and let's take a look at the watch again. Let's pull this pillow out. The band is pretty stiff, but I just unboxed it, so it hasn't been worn, but probably in the future I will definitely get a different band for this watch. It does kind of size up nicely against the SNZG11 that I'm wearing right now. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This video was a little bit short, but I didn't want to give too much away before my review. But thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Watch Review. Peace.